We're out on the ranch looking for some silver. Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? This is Silver Husky. It is about 6:30 in the morning. I'm out here in Texas on an old ranch. This actually used to be 3 separate properties that apparently got melded into one now. That's a shed. But yeah, man, we're in the middle of nowhere, and I think you can kind of see it like a patch of weird grasses and stuff. I think there used to be a house right there. So whatever grew back a little different. But if that used to be an old house, then that probably means that where we're standing right now is the front yard. So I'm gonna be searching the front yard. Right there, there's a, you know what, let's go walk over there. I'm gonna set my metal detector and shovel down. We're gonna go look at this right here. I wanna show it to you. It's one of those storm shelters, but it is so abandoned and it's falling apart. So there's really nothing in it, but it's creepy looking anyways. I was telling the kids that it lives down there, but they're not scared of it, so they went in. There's probably some snakes or something, but grass is a little bit long. I know they just raked it for hay not too long ago, but yeah, let's check it out. Isn't that creepy? I guess if there's a tornado coming, you wouldn't really care. You'd go in anyway. Yeah, last time we were here, I cleaned these steps out, chopped down these trees a little bit, but yeah, it looks like there's a little baby doll or something down in there. I don't know if you can see that creepy little thing right there in the middle. That's creepy. Yeah, there's not a whole lot going on in there, but anyways, kind of cool, kind of hidden under all these trees and stuff, so that's neat. Way back there, there's some tractors and 3 horses, some donkeys way in the back, but you can't even see them because they're all in the trees by now. But yeah, so let's see what we can find. Okay, so I'm about 15 feet, puppy over there yelling at me. I'm about 15 feet in from the street, so chances are this is probably just some buried garbage that somebody threw off the side of the road, but I keep getting a reading. I'll show it to you. That's not the one I'm looking for. This one is closer to 100, about 88, 90 something. I try not to dig anything too low, but from my understanding, you're supposed to dig everything. But on this property, this whole thing would be turned upside down if that's the case. Yeah, you see, there's that right there. 85, 90, 105. The only thing is that I'm trying to pinpoint it. It's coming up down here. It's not pinpointing where it was pinging. That is something. That might be deep. I'm gonna go ahead and dig right about there. Let's see what we can find. Probably nothing. Oh, another dog yelling at me. Dogs are everywhere. All right, I'll dig this up, see what we can find. All right, so we got this hole dug out, and I will say that we found this clip of an electrical cord. I thought that was actually the find, but then after scanning it, it comes up about 20 something, so it's kind of low. So I think it's in this lump. I think it's in the lower part. Yeah, so that's registering about 180 something. It's right down here. So I'm gonna break this apart, see what we can find down here. This is something that's plastic. So there's a lot of trash in this front yard. A lot of buried stuff. I guess that's what people did back in the day before, you know, running trash services. Is they would just dump everything in the ground, dig a hole, or bury it, or burn it. You know, why bother? Why mess with it if you can just burn it underground? So I will say that, so here we go. This is it, a piece of copper pipe. So that's it. That's what that find was. From the last handful of times, well, 2 times that I've searched this property, this is actually my wife's dad's ranch. But the last 2 times that I've searched this property, the only thing I found is mostly pipe that's laid underground from way back in the day. So hopefully we'll find something else. I did find some modern coins in the back, but later find out that that was my sister-in-law had dropped a pocket full of change when she was getting out of her car one day. But outside of that, this is about all we find. So we'll see if maybe we can find a coin somewhere. That'd be great. All right, see you guys. Okay, so we're almost done digging for the day. It's sun's about to start coming up and it's going to get hot here in a second. So some of the things that we've found so far, just to show you guys, this is an old cap gun, broken handle, but hey, it's not like you can't restore that. It's actually pretty cool. I don't know how old this thing is, but hey, look, the hammer still works. That means the mechanism, yep, the mechanism's probably still good. So yeah, it just needs to be cleaned out. That's pretty easy to do. A tube of Forma gasket sealant, this stuff. Then we have like a sardine can, a little lid off of something or other, and then some melted little ingot looking thingies of this is probably aluminum. It feels like aluminum. And the last thing was a toy car. Is that maybe a Ferrari? I don't know. We'll get it cleaned up and we'll do a wrap up. But yeah, no coins yet. We can dig in one last spot. Hopefully we can find something in it. And we'll see. Okay guys, we are done metal detecting for the morning. It's overcast, so that's not too bad, but I know it's gonna get a little bit hotter and muggier as the day goes on. So it's probably about 8 a.m. right now, maybe 8:30. And we're done, but let's do a quick wrap up. Some of the things that we found: garbage, lots of garbage, pieces of pipe. There's a couple other pieces of pipe that we didn't even bring home, some copper and stuff like that. We did find this really cool, I would assume that's a Corvette, older model. Not too bad. It'd be cool if we found a full buried Corvette. That'd be awesome. Some metal scraps, tin can that was probably for sardines or something, and this tool right here, which I don't know what it is, but it's some kind of maybe a pry bar or something like that. I don't know. And then I think the find of the day was probably this. This is the cap gun. I did have this that was kind of breaking off of it, old plastic, but still really cool. And you know, everything inside is not seized, so that's good. It doesn't, none of the springs are working though, but it's not seized. I actually saw a restoration video one time on YouTube where a guy took one of these and fully restored it. This one actually doesn't look so bad. I don't know what year it's from or anything like that, but not bad. I'm pretty impressed. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. We did not find any coins, but hey, you know, this is just day one. See you guys.